Hi everyone, my name is Michael Chua and you are watching the Chua channel, here bringing you the best in food, travel, entertainment, and anything else that strikes my fancy. Today I am going with my friend Lauren to a place called Donaji, which is a Oaxacan restaurant on 24th Street between South Van Ness and Shotwell Street in San Francisco. Please forgive the quality of sound and the loudness of the wind. I haven't replaced my shotgun mic yet. While I'm waiting for Lauren, I just wanted to give a shout out. As many of you might know, I recently had all of my filming equipment stolen on my birthday a few weeks back, and I did a GoFundMe, and I got about a third of the way to my goal. So thank you so much to those of you who have helped support the channel. I'll have a link to that GoFundMe just in case anyone else wants to pitch in, but that's actually why I have lower sound quality right now.
So let's go ahead and take a look at Donaji. On the right, you'll see their menu, which has tamales, all kinds of things smothered in delicious mole, as well as other regional favorites. So what is Oaxacan cuisine? Oaxaca is a southwestern state of Mexico containing approximately 4 million people, a majority of which live in rural villages spread throughout its very mountainous region. It might be due to this isolation and lack of infrastructure that the food maintains a gastro-historical flair when compared to other Mexican regions. Corn, beans, chili peppers, mole, chocolate, and Oaxacan cheese are among its many notable trademarks. Grasshoppers, or chupalines, are also prevalent in their cuisine, although I didn't notice any on the menu. Here we have their mole enchiladas, Oaxacan totopos, which is their way of saying chips, their sopes, their spring taco, which is on special, and a fun mezcal drink. So now my thoughts. As of the filming of this episode, Donaji has 5 stars on Yelp, so they must be doing something right. It's relatively new, and I find it a welcome gem of 24th Street. The decorations, both lively and colorful, seem to transport you to the streets of Oaxaca, a faux window and doors motif imitating the outside. The mole stood out exquisitely, weaving into each of the other dishes with an alluring explosion of complementary flavors. Patrons order and pay at the front, which make it a fun, fast casual, but lose it service marks. Overall, the value was good for San Francisco, if a little pricey for that part of the mission. Every dish was bright and well plated, and overall, I would definitely recommend coming to Donaji. If you enjoyed joining me on this adventure, please like and subscribe, and keep on adventuring. Bye!